Good afternoon and good evening, my class. This is your course lecture, Mr. Moses Chongo. Um, this evening, we are actually going to look at, I think we start with the recap on what we discussed yesterday. Yesterday, we were looking at issues of the PPE, that is personal protective equipment, which actually we use in plumbing. Although we have a challenge of some of our friends who are failing to join the platform, but that's not a problem. This is the reason why I decided to record the video so that each and every person is able to follow or also understand what we were discussing about. Yesterday we talked about personal protective equipment. But before I talked about personal protective equipment, I was discussing with you on the issue of safety rules and also the issue of the importance of safety in our working places. So safety is not about plumbers only, but in all fields, safety is important, and we need everyone in the society to comply to the safety regulations, because this is cardinal. And if we are not following the safety precautions, then we find that we even risk ourselves, or maybe we become disabled because of not being compliant to the safety regulations, safety rules. So this evening, it is another privilege that we need to continue. But before we continue, let's look at the recap. Yesterday, I gave even the assignment to say you go and research on the 10 safety rules that should be used in our working place or workshops, and also to identify 4 main safety signs, 4 main safety signs. So these are the signs that we normally use. But you may find that there are so many signs, but they are all these signs, even if they are 100 or maybe 120, they are derived from 4 safety signs. So these 4 safety signs, they have got some identification. Number 1 is the safety, maybe we can say symbols. We may also talk about the shape. We may talk about the color code.